Shadow bans are a thing on YouTube and it leaves a negative impact on one's channel. If you notice that you stopped receiving views, or you've been getting views on your channel and suddenly you stop getting views, or maybe if you leave a comment on someone's channel and you don't see the comments again, this might be a sign that your channel is being shadow banned by YouTube. I'm going to share with you how to fix shadow ban if you're being shadow banned and what causes shadow ban, okay, so you can actually avoid it in the future. Or if you've not been shadow banned, you can also see this and avoid it, okay. So but before we start, I'm going to share with you the causes of shadow ban, what causes an account to be shadow banned, or what causes a channel to be shadow banned by YouTube, before we can actually talk about how to fix it. So please make sure you watch this video to the end and don't skip any, so you don't miss out on important information. The number one thing that we are going to look at now is what causes shadow ban, and one of them is breaking the community guidelines. If you check through YouTube's community guidelines, one of their terms of services is that they are against spammy comments, okay. So if you're always fond of spamming comment section with irrelevant things or things that are not related to the comments, be sure that your channel is going to be shadow banned. You know, it is bots that are being programmed to do all of those things, so it is not actual humans. Whenever they notice an unusual activity or spammy comments, they are going to shadow ban that channel immediately, okay. Let me tell you what spammy comments is. If you're always fond of going to comment section to do all sorts of things that are not related to that particular video, or if you're fond of commenting too fast, you have to space each comment that you're making on YouTube so that your comment will not be flagged as spam or irrelevant activity. The second thing that can lead your channel to be shadow banned is using keywords or hashtags that are not related to a video topic in the description. You know, YouTube encourages the use of hashtag and keywords, but they ask you to use relevant keywords that are related to that particular video, okay. And also there is a reason why I advise people to use only 3 hashtags in their video or in their video description. Don't use too many hashtags, especially if they are not related. You don't have any reason for you to add 15 hashtags in a particular description, okay. It is spammy and it can actually lead one's account or one's channel to be shadow banned. And if you're using keywords in your description, make sure that the keywords you're using are related to that particular topic. Okay, so if you're using irrelevant keywords that are not related to a particular topic, your channel is going to be shadow banned. Another way you can get shadow banned by the system is if you receive a copyright strike. This is the reason why you should be careful of what you post on your channel and the type of music that you use on your channel. In case you're always fond of using other people's music or other people's content on your channel, just know that this thing is going to lead your account to be shadow banned, because YouTube is against using other people's content or anything to farm engagement. Make sure you're not using any other person's content as your own content, as this might lead you to getting a copyright strike, okay. So if you constantly receive copyright strike from the system, this is a warning that your account might be shadow banned, or you can actually go into a long time shadow ban if you're not careful. And if you receive too much copyright strike on your channel, just know that you are going to get deleted, and that is final. Now look at how to fix a shadow ban on your channel if you're already shadow banned. The first thing you need to do is you should delete that particular content that gave you that strike, or you can head over to your YouTube studio and mute the sound. There is how you can do it on your YouTube studio. It's been implemented newly. You can actually mute the sound on your YouTube studio so that the copyright strike can go out. And then again, the second type of way that you can actually remove this shadow ban from your channel is to reduce how much you post on YouTube. You can give your accounts maybe 1 week break, okay, so that your accounts can heal. Once you take out time to stop posting, you are already giving the system time to actually take out that flag or shadow ban from your channel. So once you reduce the activity that you do on your YouTube channel, it is going to resolve within a short period of time. Okay, another way you can take out the shadow ban from your channel is to write YouTube support, okay, but this is only available for people who are already on the creator program. If you're already a YouTube partner, then you can have a chance to write YouTube support. But if you're not in the YouTube partner program, or if you're not monetized already, the only thing you're going to do is to just reduce the number of times you post on YouTube, especially if you post short. If you used to post short more often, just reduce how much you post short on your channel until this gets resolved, okay? Maybe you can give your account 5 days. Give it 5 days and this thing will resolve. If you stop the way or the amount you churn out shorts on your channel, it is going to go out automatically. And the most important thing after you've done all these things is when you are back from that shadow ban, After you've given your channel a rest, when you're back, make sure you maintain a healthy account and don't violate their policy, okay, so that you won't go back to a much heavier one. Because there is another type of shadow ban. If you're shadow banned by this way, if you keep on getting shadow banned and you go to a heavier one, it is going to take time for your channel to get back in shape, and it's almost going to take a year, and sometimes it never gets resolved, and this is the system blacklisting you entirely. And the only solution to this is just to open another channel, okay. So make sure you maintain a healthy channel and see your account come back to normal. And we have come to the end of this video, and if you have not liked this video yet, please make sure you like it and drop your questions in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer everyone, okay. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, this is the time for you to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.